Hello friends, I'm Esan from ebangaloreproperty.com, and today I'm going to show you exclusive independent floor condos located in Fraser Town near Coles Park. Very prime location, heart of the city, central Bangalore. So this apartment is built on Ekhatha site. Individual flat also gets Ekhatha. Premium apartments, 3 bedroom, 5 bathrooms, 5 toilets. So exclusive private lobby, lift is there. Planned as per Vastu, east facing entrance. Italian marble flooring for the hall and dining. Premium fixtures and fittings in the bathrooms. Spacious hall. For your reference, floor plan is included in the video at the end of the video. So do watch complete video for better understanding. So from the private lobby you enter into the living room. And in the living this is a large sit out area. Secured with safety grill. 3-track windows, glass door. The land area is 36 by 79, 2844 square feet. The super built up area of the apartment is 2600 square feet and you get 700 square feet of UDS land share. It comes with 2 covered car parking, ample 2-wheeler parking. There is a security room on the ground floor. Above 4 floor, each floor 1 apartment, totally 4 houses. So this is a separate dining space, dining hall, kitchen in the southeast. Very prime location of central Bangalore, Fraser Town. Spacious kitchen. So you can customize your interiors as per your requirement. The flat deal price does not include the wardrobe or interior work. Fixtures and fittings is provided. So next to kitchen there is a utility area. This is utility space. There is also a servant toilet. So this is a servant toilet. Final finishing painting work is going on now. It has a grand looking elevation with cladding work. I'll show you later in the balcony area. So this was hall, dining, kitchen, utility, common servant toilet, and this is a balcony towards the dining. Living has balcony, dining has balcony, as well as 2 bedrooms have balcony roadside facing. And in the dining this is a powder room, common toilet for guests. Wall mounted toilet, full vanity is there with hand wash basin, teakwood door frames. There is also security CCTV camera, 100% power backup for the entire apartment. This is the first bedroom. Bedrooms have wooden flooring. Bedrooms have vitrified flooring. In the kitchen you saw anti-skid vitrified flooring. Safety grill is also provided for these windows, UPVC windows, 3-track. Good natural ventilation is there. Right around 2.5 feet of setback space is left on 3 sides. Towards the road also 1 feet space is left. So this is attached bathroom. In the end shower area is separate. You can add glass partition if required. Hand wash basin, shower, toilet. Later at the time of showing the floor plan I will tell you the room sizes. Now towards the road 2 rooms, both with attached bathroom and balcony, connected balcony. So this is master bedroom as per Vastu in the southwest corner. This will have wooden flooring which is yet to be provided. Just a matter of time once you finalize the deal. All the pending work, painting, cleaning will be completed. Right now this is ready to occupy position, I would say. So this is a large connected balcony from both the bedrooms towards the road. So this has a closet area, walk-in closet. While doing the interiors, you can add a nice partition, dressing mirror and wardrobes. Bathroom here, large vanity, wall mounted toilet, shower area. If required, you can add a enclosure, glass partition for the shower area. 3 bathrooms have geysers installed already as part of the deal. "30 feet tar road is there in the property, in front of the property. Own borewell as well as Kaveri water is there. And this is the 3rd bedroom, same size as master bedroom with vitrified flooring, walk-in closet, balcony and attached bathroom. The project is by a reputed developer who has completed many projects, similar condo projects across central Bangalore. Location is main highlight along with the quality of construction. So this was the last bathroom, attached bathroom and 3rd bedroom. Two covered car parking comes along with this flat. Ample two-wheeler parking. Entire ground floor is reserved for just 4 houses. Beautiful grand elevation. Now let me show you the floor plan. So 36 by 79 feet site measurement, 2.5 feet left clear space on the 3 sides, and roadside 1 feet has been left. Shoe rack, private exclusive lobby, east facing door, large living room, sitting ledge towards the balcony. This is dining area. This is kitchen in the southeast, 11.5 by 13 feet. Utility servant toilet. This is bedroom, 13 by 13 feet. Attached bathroom. Two bedrooms, 14 by 12, 14 by 12. Additional walk-in closet and attached bathrooms. Large balconies, connected balcony to the front. You can do anything with the balcony. You can have a garden and all. Please read the description for complete details. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe our channel for latest properties.